There's several trends in the fire detection technology industry at the moment. One of those is towards more sophisticated, user-friendly panels, such as our newer Tactis panel that is touchscreen and has a lot of intuitive guidance in it. And once you've been trained, it's very easy to use and people are finding it very acceptable. So it's more intuitive and it actually stops you doing things you shouldn't do as well. Whereas with the older panels, they rely more on the training. So that's part of it. The second thing is systems are coming out that are a hybrid of both wired and wireless. And the advent of COVID as well has increased the availability and the acceptability of wireless solutions. So you're finding that not suitable for everything, but we do have wired and wireless solutions working with our panels, again, throughout the UK and in other countries. Innovation for Kentech is vital in several areas. The one everyone talks about is technology, and the advent of the newer semiconductors, faster processing, is required inside our panels. We've got over 500 semiconductors in a fully loaded Tactis. We need to avail ourselves of the latest technology and use the speeds and availability for downloading software. We have a software-controlled system called LE2 that allows you to remote configuration, etc. And I think innovation is also needed in terms of factories and technology that's used in factories. We don't lend ourselves to too much automation because the volumes of panels are not as vast as they are of detectors, but there is a need for innovation in some automation. We have done so ourselves in terms of a paint plant. We put in a custom paint plant at a cost of over £800,000 only a few years ago, and that automated the full process tremendously. There's also innovation required in training. We put a lot of money into training, and I mean this seriously, that the investment in training is probably more important than capital because it's invested in your people. And the rewards we're getting now from the loyalty of our staff and the people being able to do a larger job than they were before.
Kentech focuses on what we need to deliver to keep up with the right standards by having a strong supporting team from R&D and product management. They're always looking at what standards, what quality we need to be at, and they're always making changes within our panels to be able to stay with the new technology to hit the fire alarm. Kentech will develop over the years to come through bringing out new product, looking at what the industry's requirements are and changing our strategy to suit that. Kentech does have a very strong team that will focus on moving Kentech into the higher levels in the coming years.